Twice performing in the rain at the MetLife Stadium. It's not the real rain, but Twice immersed in the rain of Warmthness of Ones in the New York. The sold-out stadium filled with ones and their candy bongs, screaming and howling to the fullest. What's really overwhelming is that it's the same day of Twice's 8th year of formation.
JYP를 대표할 뉴 걸그룹 트와이스입니다.
You gotta know that you're one in a million.
Two great auspicious events on the same day. Twice rewriting history in the New Year with the MetLife Stadium on the same day of their formation, exactly after 8 years. Twice's great feat